In this video, I'll show you the complete process of canceling your Spotify Premium subscription using a Windows PC or laptop. Open the Spotify website. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome or Firefox. Go to the official Spotify website and sign in to the account that has the premium subscription. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account. This will open your Spotify account settings in your browser. On the Account page, click your plan or manage your plan. Here, you'll see your current Spotify Premium subscription details, including your billing date and payment method. Scroll down until you find the Cancel Premium option. Click Cancel Premium. Spotify may display a few offers or remind you about the benefits you'll lose after canceling. If you're sure you want to continue, click Continue to cancel. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking Yes, Cancel. Don't worry, you won't lose your premium features immediately. Your premium subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. After that date, your account will automatically switch to Spotify Free, and you won't be charged again unless you subscribe in the future. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.